Hey y'all, welcome back to Tiara's Healing Words Tarot, where you'll be receiving a healing from these good old words from God. Let's go ahead and clear the energy. This shit falling apart, the sage. Let me see if I can, no, just put that shit on. That's why that string is around it to keep it together. How y'all doing today? Is it afternoon yet? Almost. Well, might as well say good afternoon. Clear the energy here. Aries season. What's up, Aries? First time actually doing a reading for like a sign, like overall energy. Oof. It's somebody's birthday out there today. Happy birthday to the Aries. Clear your energy. Clear your energy. Clear the energy. Let's get the energy of Aries for today. So I actually did this last night, but it was late and I was tired and I just kind of went to sleep. So I woke up with the stuff still out on the table as it was when I went to sleep. So like, I was tired. I couldn't get a message out, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it out now. So let's go ahead and get started. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. My messages are for positive affirmations. I am here to help heal people from past traumas. Help them realize that they're in a karmic cycle and that they need to cut cords and keep it moving in order to receive their blessings. So we have wars and battles, along with you and your loved ones are safe, along with the Chariot, along with the Ace of Cups. So we'll start with the Ace of Cups. Yeah, so I'm still learning, so I'm not really, it's a lot to remember, a lot of information to take in, so I don't have everything memorized yet. And I don't want to give anybody false info, so I want to be accurate with what I'm telling you. But it says to open your heart. The beautiful Ace of Cups means that love and friendship are on the way. This could be the beginning of a new relationship with potential best friend or a new crush. Be open to meeting someone new. It could turn out to be a meaningful relationship. The Ace of Cups can also signal a gift. You may be receiving a present or a gift, if it's your birthday or something. It doesn't even have to be your birthday. Again, that was the Ace of Cups. Then we have the Chariot, which to me is kind of like movement with the Chariot. But let's see what the book says. Ruling passion. The Chariot shows that we can be driven by desire. This card depicts a young man on a determined journey to love, symbolized by his triumphal chariot and two horses, one dark, one light, representing libido. Dressed in full armor, he is steeled by his conviction to succeed. To stay on the road, he must, however, keep a tight rein on both animals, showing the potential struggle in mastering conflict in situations or passions. So within a relationship, the Chariot highlights sex and relationships. So can indicate the need for sexual harmony with your partner. All right. So by genuinely taking time to communicate, you can move forward in your relationship. Your penchant for adventure may see you taking a literal journey together too. You feel me? Communicate. If you are looking for love, this is a great time for meeting action-driven people, possibly connected with traveling. As events speed up, you will enjoy increased energy and perhaps a passionate encounter. Whatever your situation, you move toward achieving a love wish. I'm sorry, this chat. All right. Okay. Communication is key regarding a situation. You and your loved ones are safe. There's a new start coming in your private life. Something is rising up in connection with the people and places you hold dearest. This can be due to with a member of your family, a flatmate, or moving house. Okay. If you're hoping to move forward with something special in your private life, this card comes to you as a message that you can do it. If you've been neglecting your family, it's time to reconnect with them. Okay? If you've been neglecting yourself and need to take better care of yourself and nurture yourself more, you might need to do that too. If your insecurity is holding you back, that's something for you to work on now. Doing so could bring you your heart's desire. Make sure you put family first. Let someone get a bit closer to you. A new cycle is starting for your child or children. It's time to review your goals. Have they changed? Meditation will help you banish your insecurities. Spending time near water will bring you peace and answers. The new moon in Cancer can be a super emotional time. The moon is all about emotions, and Cancer is a water sign and also very emotional, saying that the moon is very happy in the sign of Cancer. It's one of her 2 home signs along with Taurus. So whenever you pull it, this card suggests that whatever happens next will be in your favor. It's especially positive for family matters. Okay, that's good. Even though we have wars and battles here. So maybe you were going through wars and battles here, but it looks like you have a gift coming in, which could be this what did they say? Positive family matters. So maybe you was having a situation with a family matter. It's gonna have a positive outcome. That's for somebody out there. Then we have let's see. We have spirituality and religion. Then we have the High Priest. Then we have the energy is gaining momentum. Then we have Ace of Swords. And we'll start with Ace of Swords. So Ace of Swords says that a new inspiration arrives. So the Ace of Swords signals a new idea or a breakthrough. Suddenly you see which direction to go and move ahead. This card can also mean a new mental pursuit. Whatever you're learning feels fresh and exciting. This ace could also indicate a time when you must speak the truth. Even if you are scared, speak the truth. Then we have the energy is gaining momentum. Waxing moon. The energy is gaining momentum.
Mom, will you go to the party?
All right now, babe.
Yes, Mommy.
Little baby, only 2 years old. New moon cards. What is that? The energy gaining momentum. Okay, I've got to find this. The energy is gaining momentum. The energy is gaining momentum. The energy is gaining momentum. Man, I'm sorry. I can't find this. Come on. The energy is gaining momentum finally at the end of the damn book. So with this card, during the waxing moon cycle, hope springs eternal. This card is a very positive omen, indicating that you can create the reality you're dreaming of, though it will take some work and you're not quite there yet. This is a time of energies rising up. Emotions are building too. Where do you want to go, and do you believe you can get there? Either you can just keep meditating and focusing on your desired outcome, or you can make the courageous commitment to take more practical steps toward your goals. Whichever you decide, you are most certainly on the right track. I know I'm headed in the right direction. The situation is full of potential. Your dream can come true. More effort is yet required. Are you willing to give it? Review your goals and ensure you're still committed. Keep moving forward. The waxing cycle is the period of the lunar cycle from new moon to full moon, and during this time, the moon appears to be slightly bigger and rounder every night. This is a very empowered and empowering time, and this is a very promising card. It suggests now is the time to make plans and to act on them, no matter when you actually pull the card. Okay, good news. So, go for it, Trust yourself. Trust yourself. We got the High Priest, divine marriage. Okay, so, somebody could be about to propose here. The High Priest is the Pope or other religious leader, symbolizing spiritual governance and teaching, which is shown by his regalia of the triple crown and scepter. His right hand symbol represents the giving of a blessing. He is the counterpart of the High Priestess, whose wisdom is hidden, but the High Priest's knowledge is for sharing. He is your teacher, priest, or guru. He brings divine love and learning and maybe marriage, okay? If you're in a relationship, if you're together and unmarried, the High Priest can foretell unity and therefore marriage. He is associated with unity, striving to bring together man and God, and as a priest, joining two people together in love. If you are looking for love, you may meet an older man or woman whom you respect. He or she may teach you about divine love, so that when you are ready, you may open your heart to a future partner. All right. Whatever your situation, the High Priest predicts a time of spiritual development and togetherness. And then we have spirituality and religion. So, you could have someone coming into your life that is going to be on the same spiritual path as you. They might be even a little bit more spiritual than you are. That is going to help you in whatever you need help with. Then we have a Tower. We got authority figures. A personal issue reaches resolution. Yes. With the Magician here. Okay, then. Okay. That looks like that is a good Tower. Good Tower. Let's see what Tower represents here. Ooh, yes. I'm getting good vibes from that Tower. Even though the authority figures came out, that doesn't necessarily mean that it was anything bad. Somebody could be going through a situation regarding authority figures in some way, shape, or form, and it's looking good. You understand? It's about to be over with. Maybe you already know that. Expect the unexpected. You know what I'm saying? With this Tower, sometimes life throws you a curveball. For example, something you're counting on doesn't come through, or a shocking change of events leaves you feeling uncertain. Everything seems scary and hard. Take a breath and know that this won't be forever. Nothing lasts, not even the tough stuff. Know what I'm saying? The Tower brings chaos and disruption, but soon you'll rebuild something better. Facts. because the magician is here. So you are manifesting something better here with this situation. So let's see what the magician brings here. Love, alchemy. With the magician is a street conjurer who transforms the world at his feet. The card's astrological sign is Mercury, linked with communication, and he has at his fingertips all the elements for success: the coin for possessions, the sword for thought, the cup for filling, and the baton for desire. The alluring magician brings energy for a new romance, okay? And the potential to transform any relationship from the mundane to the magical, okay? So, okay, we got some new shit coming in here. Okay, that could possibly be a marriage here. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. You know how you feel. You know if you feel like you want to, you know what I'm saying, take that leap of faith with somebody, it's looking like you should do that. But let's just see what happens here. Regarding this magician, if you're in a relationship, you can make your love magical because you can see the potential in your partnership. Together, you have a companionship, trust, and passion. And this realization leads to a new way to living. You feel me? From traveling the world to a joint business venture, your shared dreams can take shape. If you're looking for love, your circumstances are perfect for meeting a partner, as a shared creative interest brings you closer to a garrulous, inventive individual who may live by his wits. A friend may become a lover overnight. Oh, shit. Whatever your situation, it is time to let your creativity blossom. Okay. So that's for somebody out there. Whatever your situation is, take it how it resonates. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to put shit where it don't fit. You feel me? Because everything ain't for everybody. But this is for somebody. A personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer. All right. A personal issue reaches resolution. Okay, so things are likely to get very heated, as full moon in Cancer is a super emotional sign. So there could be something of an explosion of feelings around now or surrounding your question. It's important to be sensitive to other people when you pull this card. There are some very fine sensibilities around, so tread carefully as you move towards your goals or dreams. This card indicates an especially feminine time. It is also heralds the time to deal with any family issues coming up. Nothing to worry about. It signals a challenge is now coming to an end, okay? This card also suggests both that a domestic matter or a private issue will soon come to a head, and that it's a great time to move house. Okay, it's a great time to move, somebody. The answer to your question lies in being a kind leader. This is the time for you to step up and agree to overcome your insecurities. It may be the best move. It may be best to move towards what you want in a sideways manner. Meditate to soothe heightened emotions. Don't be clingy. Stop sulking. Have fun, or have you had enough family time lately? The heightened emotions of the Moon Cancer combination can't be ignored. However, Cancer is one of the Moon's two home signs along with Taurus. So, astrologically speaking, the Moon loves to be in this sign. In fact, she rules Cancer. This means that with this card, there's a sense that all is said, all is as it should be, or don't worry, all will soon be well with authority figures. So, damn, I couldn't even get my words out. Somebody didn't want me to get that out. Lord have mercy. But we gonna keep on going here. Moving on up. All right. And we 20 minutes in here. So we have balance. So with that being said, we have balance here. Food and hunger. A time for healing. The Emperor. And I don't know, but my door just kind of crept open just now. With no one there, no kids or nothing. Nah, somebody just came on in here. Well, let's start with balance. Balance is kind of self-explanatory, but let's just read here. Find your balance. Open right up to it. When you are going through a major change, which from what I just said previously with the authority figures and whatever situation that you're going through with that, balance is here. So when you're going through a major change, that's a major change. You need time to slow down and bring things back into harmony. You need to find balance. Balance can also mean that you've got some critical decisions to make. Compare your options and experiment a bit. What in your life do you want to keep? What needs to go? Explore every possibility, then make your choice. With the Emperor, the Emperor. Okay? Stability and love is what the Emperor symbolizes. The Emperor is the architect of the father, an authority figure who acts as head of the family. He brings stability and reason. He carries the imperial orb and scepter, symbols of his powerful status, and his shield bears the eagle emblem and paternalism and protection. His sign is forceful Aries, ruled by Mars, planet of war. The Emperor is the counterpart of card 3, the Empress, so he may be a parent or a partner. All right? If you're in a relationship, if you seek security and steadfastness in love, your partnership will flourish. The Emperor loves order and tradition. Excitement may be low on his agenda, but he will work hard to make you happy, okay? If you are looking for love, a professional whom you consult for advice in business or in a connection with a domestic problem may warm your heart. You may also find that a supportive father figure protects your interests. Whatever your situation, the Emperor brings action and practicality. With a time for healing. A time for healing. You got a time for healing, okay? Balsamic moon. So pulling this card suggests that the past is in the past and a bright future is beckoning. However, before you take your next step, make sure that both you and your situation feel healed. This is not the time to paper over cracks or simply pretend that everything is okay. Rather, you still need a little more time to heal and to soothe both yourself and anyone else in need. Then remind yourself that anything is possible if you believe it. This is also a time to surrender and wait to hear guidance from the universe. Powerful insights can be had. If you know that someone or something really isn't good for you, this card is a reminder to surrender. Start to work on your belief in your dream so you're ready when the time comes. When one is healed, all are healed. It's time to let go of the past. You are about to turn the corner. You need more time to heal. Think about how this situation would look if everyone were healed. Patience is required at the time of the balsamic moon. It's a time for self-care as you slowly but surely prepare yourself for the new moon, which is just around the corner. No matter which point in the current moon cycle you have pulled this card, it's a reminder to go a little bit easy on yourself. The time to step into your creatrix power will come soon enough. Give yourself the time that you need. With food and hunger. All right. So we have Knight of Wands. Trust and faith. Work through your fears. With the Lovers. Hey, okay. Let's start with the Knight of Wands. right? With the Knight of Wands, it says pursue your passions. The Knight of Wands says go for it. Take a chance. A new adventure or direction is on the way, baby. Don't hold back. Go for it and see what you might discover. Who knows where the road might take you? This card can also symbolize an exciting newcomer. Hey, we already said new love is coming in for somebody. Or a time when you need to be creative.